A group of 12 girls has a mean age of 12.25 years. One of them, aged 10.5 years, leaves the group. What is the mean age of the remaining girls? Okay, so the mean of any set of values is going to be the total of the set of values divided by the total number of values. So in our case, we know that the mean is 12.25. We can calculate the total age of the 12 girls divided by 12. So in order to find the total age of the 12 girls, we will need to multiply these two together. So the total age of the 12 girls will be 12.25 times 12, which will give me 147. The total sum of the ages when one girl leaves the group is going to be 147 minus the age of the girl that's going to leave the group, which is 10.5. So we do 147 minus 10.5. That gives me 136.5. And then we have to calculate the new mean, but we now have to remember we only have 11 girls. So the new mean of the 11 girls is going to be the total age of the 11 girls, which is 136.5, divided by 11, and that gives me a new mean of 12.4 to 3 significant figures. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the mean of a group once one person has left the group. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.